Paytm. Pradeep, you've bought at levels of 983, which is elevated levels. When did you buy?
Good morning, Alexander.
Good morning. Good morning to you.
How are you?
Very well. Please go ahead.
Good. Yeah, I bought actually, I don't have the system right now, not right with me right now. I think it's like 1 month or something like that.
Okay, 1 month. Okay. No, basically you want to know whether it was a recent acquisition. What do you want to know?
Right. I would like to know is, it's add more or just to hold for until wait little more going down.
And what's the time frame that you're buying for, Pradeep? Long term or
if
short
I got
term?
a 10%, actually, most of the share, I have a stat. My thing is I almost 10% or 12% when the profit coming, I just remove and buy another one.
Okay.
So that's the way I do.
So you churn your portfolio quite often, but have you bought Paytm on the fundamentals or is it a technical call that you have?
Yeah, the technical, hopefully the technical is fine.
Okay, got it. Kush, Paytm 983, so slightly elevated levels. I know a lot of people got in at the bottom and managed to do that, right? So, but what's the view on the charts?
Not too encouraging just yet. The stock started cracking way before actually the markets did, and with markets falling, the fall has actually only accelerated. If you look at the revival that the stock has had from those 300, 320 odd levels, all the way up until about 1,000 or so, the stock, if you see on a daily basis, is only at about 38% retracement. I'm afraid, even a 50% retracement comes to 700 odd levels. So there could be a possibility that he might see some sort of a downtick before the stock starts to move higher. My suggestion would be to keep a strict stop loss near the 700 mark. If that is breached, then the near-term structure will actually be disturbed quite a bit. But till the time that level is held, not a bad idea to continue holding on to this one. I don't expect a V-shaped recovery on a lot of these names, Paytm included. But yes, a stop loss around the 700 mark and a hold on Paytm.
All right, hold is the view coming in on Paytm. Moving to the next query, Vijay from Chennai wants to invest 1 lakh in DRL. He wants to know whether he should invest at the current levels or wait for further downside. What's your view, Kush, on this?
A lot of these pharma names have actually seen quite a bit of correction. The good thing about Dr. Reddy's is that it's very close to the medium-term support zone of 1150, 1100 odd levels. So from a risk-reward perspective, and that the stock has actually reached oversold territory, it's not a bad idea to start accumulating at these levels. My stop loss on this one, as I said, slightly deepish, would be close to the 1100 mark. On the way up, you could look at a 1250 kind of a level first. Once that is taken out, even at 1280 where the gap was created a few sessions ago. So from a risk reward perspective, I think this is starting to look attractive. Once this gap is filled, I actually expect the stock to move higher to 1350 levels also. So a couple of levels there on the upside to watch for. Stop loss 1100, not a bad time to start accumulating DRL.
Not a bad time to start accumulating Dr. Reddy's Laboratories, the view coming in from Kush. Moving on to the